Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest. So you open your Pinterest app. As you can see, it's white, everything is white, it's quite uncomfortable for your eyes. So if you want to change that, you go to settings up in the right corner, then account settings again, and here should be app theme. Yes, here it is. You go to app theme, and here you can choose light or dark or set by battery saver. So this means if you choose this, then your phone will decide, but we want dark, so this is dark mode. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to support my channel, and see you in the next one. Go and eat a salad, guy.